Hello guys, so today I'll be unboxing the Firstcry intellito kits for PP1. My daughter is 4 years old, so we have enrolled her into the PP1 curriculum. So this is curriculum kit. I'll show you what all we have got. Ma'am has given it for a day to level everything we have got, and then we have to send everything to the school. So there's this file there to put all her activities. This is one board, two side. This is her portfolio file. Then they have drawing books, plain drawing books. Then we have got another portfolios. I'll try to show you what all are inside. Just a little bit about the kid and her surroundings. So this is activity workbook. This is something called passport. It's all about her motor skills, her cognitive developments, everything. This is a scrap book. Ma'am had told me to level everything and use transparent paper to cover the book. This is going to be her Hindi homework book. Yeah, they have Hindi and Kannada in PP1. That's why we have changed her previous Montessori. That was for maths and this is for English. And they have one crayon, pencil colors. I just wanted to show this activity book. I had already purchased this from Amazon a year back. This is like all matching, shorting. 1 second. Yeah, so matching capital letters. You can easily get this kind of activity book in Amazon for I guess 300-400. So she has this appreciation belt for different activity. There is glow stick, a medal. Maybe they will use it further. And there is this color and an iCard. This is a dough. Oops. Yeah, and a pencil set, eraser, sharpener, a pencil bag, and this is something new. I've never bought this. This is like a flashcard. And these are storybooks levels wise, level 2, level 1. There are 3 set of stories. I'll try to show you the page. What word? I think they are more focusing on the words in the story for their vocabs. That's all. And yeah, one more thing is there. This bag. Which she has already started using. Okay, that's all for today. Comment any query if you have.